Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're reviewing Dokku, a lightweight platform that makes app deployment simple and affordable. So let's get started. Dokku is basically a mini Heroku that you can run on your own server. It's open source, completely free, and works seamlessly with cloud providers like DigitalOcean and AWS. You can deploy apps using simple git push commands, manage databases, run SSL, and install plugins for scaling, monitoring, and more. If you're looking for extra features, there's Dokku Pro, which adds a user-friendly web interface and advanced tools like a JSON API, HTTPS app push, data store support, environment variables, process scaling, and live log tailing. As for pricing, Dokku is free. You only pay for your VPS. Dokku Pro is a one-time purchase of $849 for a lifetime license, which includes updates and support. If you're a solo developer or a small team looking for full control without Heroku's high pricing, Dokku, especially Dokku Pro, is an excellent solution. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.